déranger. Bibi, bibi, décalé, dégamé, décalé, Loco.
Hey everybody, it's Xoticfushion. Today I'm going to be doing an inspired look of the Himba tribe. They're located in Namibia and Angola. It's in Africa, if you don't know. I won't be doing the most with the red clay because I feel like that would be disrespectful to their culture, and I'm African as well. I would not want nobody to over portray my culture unless it's a movie, in which that's where I got the idea from the movie Black Panther. I was watching and there was a character. I'll insert a picture right here. And so I decided, hey, let me try, since I'm gonna be combing out my locks anyway. So stay tuned. What you're gonna need is conditioner. I'm using TRESemme. All you do is mix the conditioner with water, and you're gonna need a needle to pick the end of your locks out. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take the solution, dip your hair in, make sure it's well saturated, and then you're gonna be picking out the bottom of the lock. So you'll see it will start to get looser and looser. Your locks might get a little dry, so just wet it and continue. Here I'm just detangling the ends. That's how much shedding I got. Now here I'm adding a little bit of water just to saturate it so I can be able to brush the ends out. All we do is stun and we lit. All the man chamo then slit. Chamo to my own talkie, body on fleek. Most of these jewelries are from thrift stores. So, and these are just waist beads. If your hair are in multiple plaits and put to the back, that means you are married. During puberty, your locks are put to the front, indicating that you're not ready to be married yet. I'll insert some pictures at the end, and to see more, go to my Instagram. I'll link it down below.
I'm a man loco.